Pancakes are one of those quintessential breakfast items. Everyone loves them, everyone knows how to make them. But in this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to take your flavor game to another level by making bourbon berry syrup. It's really simple. I'm on my Blackstone Tailgater, so I got my burner on one side and my griddle on the other. It's a really simple recipe. Let's get into it. Now the first thing we need to do is get to our berries. Today I have some fresh blackberries and some fresh raspberries. I've got a large saute pan on our burner side of our Blackstone Tailgater. I'm gonna turn this up to like medium-high heat. I'm also gonna add some brown sugar, a little bit of honey, and we're also gonna add some bourbon. Give it a nice little stir and let that come to a boil so that bourbon and sugar dissolve into one another, start to reduce and create that gorgeous syrup. Some of that juice from the berries is gonna come out. This is unbelievable and simple. You guys are gonna love it. Now let's get to our pancakes. Now these are really simple, just use your favorite pancake mix. We're gonna add some egg, a little bit of vegetable oil, and some milk. Now mix this up, make sure it's nice and smooth. No one likes a clumpy pancake. Now we're gonna go over to our griddle. I've got it set to medium. I'm gonna add just a bit of butter across the surface. Now we're gonna add our pancakes with our awesome Blackstone pancake dispenser. Nice and golden, easy peasy. You guys know how to do pancakes. And it's time to eat, my friends. Let's put those pancakes on a plate and add our berries and syrup over the top. My friends, this is an amazing recipe. It's simple, it's easy, it's really, really delicious, and it will definitely take your flavor game to a whole new level. Thank you guys for watching. Be sure to go to blackstoneproducts.com for more recipes and videos. Leave a comment, give us a like, and if you love it, share it. I'll see you guys in the next video.